Hi there, Ganidul. Sorry if I mispronounced your name. This is Lee from Otters SEO, and this is the free video that we promised for you. It basically shows some free tips and tricks around how you can improve your website and online presence so you can attract more customers and book more jobs. So as you see, I've got your website open here. The first thing I see is a little icon that's not secure, so maybe something to look at. I really do like the layout and the clean colors that you've used. It's very nice. Also the chat window, that's nice and visible, very easy for people to quickly chat with you. That's great. Looking through your website on your homepage, I see probably about 300-400 words of content. So that's the first thing I want to talk about. Google recommends that on your homepage you need at least 1,500 words of content. And the reason for this is that when they try to index your website, in the evenings they try to extract the necessary keywords from your website. In order to do that, they need a lot of content basically. And if you provide at least 1,500 words of content, then you make their job much easier to rank you in their search algorithms. So one thing that you maybe improve is 1,500 words of content. Looking at one of your main competitors that I found on Google, they're currently #1 in Cape Town. I actually do like your website quite a bit more than theirs, much cleaner. But looking at them, they've got slightly more content than you, I'm guessing, probably about 400 or 500 words of content. So also not really hitting that 1,500 mark, 1,500 word mark, my apologies. So definitely beatable. So if you can increase your word count to 1,500, then I think you'll be in good shape. The next thing I want to go through is the Google search results. When I type in electrician in Cape Town, the first thing that comes up is the Google ads. This has got nice prime real estate, and it's very good to get a lot of people actually to your website quickly. The downside is that you do pay to have your ads up here, so every time someone clicks on one of these links, then you'll pay Google a certain amount of money. So very good to drive quick traffic, but you do pay for it in the long run. The second part I want to talk through is the Google map listing. It's also a nice prime location. It's also quite easy for customers to see your contact number and your website address. It basically shows all the companies, relevant companies at least in the area of Cape Town. So about 30 to 40% of all traffic will actually click on one of these 3 links. So very important to actually be in these top 3 positions. So how do you get listed here in the top 3 positions? Well, you need to increase your number of citations. All that a citation is a combination of your company name, your physical address, and your contact number. If you can get those combination of things listed on a bunch of directories, you can think of like Yellow Pages or Gumtree and the like, then you will be placed higher in these top 3 positions. I normally aim to have at least between 100 and 200 citations just to guarantee myself a spot in these top 3 positions. The third thing I want to go over is the organic search result. And this is what Google sees as the most relevant links to what you've typed in. And also very important to be in these top positions, because statistics also show that 29% of people click on the first link that they see, 15% of people click on the second link, and 10% on the third link. So very important to be in these top 3 positions. And it's only less than 9% of people will go past the first page of Google. So lots of traffic that you can be getting right over here. So how do you get into these top 3 positions? Well, I'll show you that next. We use a tool called Ahrefs, and what this allows us to do is put in a URL like your website that we have over here, and it spits out a bunch of numbers. These are actually the numbers that Google will use to rank your website. So the first number we can look at is the UR, and that's basically your trust rating. This is how much Google trusts your website. So as you can see, that Google's not really trusting your website at this point. DR is your power index. That's how strong Google believes your website is, and sitting at a 0 right now. So definitely 2 numbers that we can improve upon so you can get your rankings up. The backlinks and referring domains are the most important elements to actually rank you high in your organic search results. So the higher the numbers, the better you'll perform. And all that a backlink is really a link from another website to yours, basically giving a shout out from them to you. And the referring domains is the actual websites that are pointing to you. So the higher the number, the better, and also not all backlinks are made equal, so also the better quality backlinks are very important as well. Currently, Google is picking up 0 keywords from your website, which they would like to use to rank in their search engine. And this is probably because of the lack of content on your homepage is something that you can improve, and that gets reflected also in the traffic that your website is getting. So at the moment, you're getting 0 organic traffic from Google. So you're missing out on a lot of traffic in your website. And that's unfortunate because you've got a nice website and it'd be nice for people to actually find it as well. So if we look at that same competitor with the same type of tool and look at their numbers, we'll see that their trust rating is sitting at a 12, their power rating at a 10. So a little bit higher than yours, but still very, very beatable. Their backlinks at 908 and their referring domains at 27. Not doing too bad, but also still quite beatable. And you'll see this is also, because they're the top competitor and they've got those numbers up, you'll see they're getting over 150 people every month finding their website from Google. So a lot of potential jobs that's coming to your competitor and actually not to your website. And they're getting picked up for 80 different keywords. So let's take a look at what those keywords are. So you'll see the keyword electrician Cape Town is being picked up from their website. And there are 350 people every month searching for this key term basically in Google. So because they're your top competitor, they're getting about a third of this traffic to their website every month. And that's a lot of traffic that could be coming to your website. And you'll see every other search term listed here as well. Cape Town electrician, electrician in Cape Town, and a lot of traffic going to your competitor's website. So just in summary, if you increase your website content to 1,500 words on your homepage, then it'll make it easier for Google to rank you and to extract those keywords. If you want to get into those top 3 positions in the Google Map listing, make sure you increase your number of citations with the directories. If you want to be in the top 3 results of the organic search results, then make sure to increase your number of backlinks and referring domains. As I said, all these tips and tricks are free, and I really hope you go and utilize them on your website so you can get more traffic. If you would like to find out more information or see how we can actually help you implement these ideas and get this traffic to your website, then please feel free to reach out to me. I'd really like to help you guys out. Either way, I hope the best for you. I would ask if you can please drop us a line of feedback just to let us know if you found this useful or not. I'm trying to help a bunch of businesses in the local area, and your feedback will be much appreciated. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Cheers.